confirm President Fernandez's location by
Okay, we get it. If he was safe, he'd be on the news instead of the anchors.
I'm running scared.
Can you blame them? It's not the first time this town's been through hell.
All thanks to one man.
Kincaid will pay for this. Don't worry.
What about President Fernandez? We warned him if he just listened.
So you're good with Pax gunning him down in the street?
Fuck off, I know who the enemy is.
Enough. We do our job. Leave the rest to the folks like Mills.
Hey, what's that?
God. It's the presidential motorcade.
Shut the hell. Pax already found them.
Where's the principal? Or the counter-assault team?
No sign. No movement. Wait. Listen. Sounds like the cat team to me.
That's it. No way around.
We got one. Through that playground. Go fast, go quiet. Whoever's fighting needs us now. Us. As a team. Got it? Let's go.
Pax knew right where to ambush him.
It's Dagger 1-3. We need cat members in the area. Getting anything? No. Too busted up. Let's get in there.
Pax ahead.
Okay, Dagger. No radio contact yet, so Cat doesn't know we're coming in. Pick your targets. Cat has a job to do. Give them space while we do ours.
We've got him on their heels! Weapons free!
Cat, do you copy? Marine Raiders on site. Dagger 1-3. What's your situation?
I'm reloading!
Dagger, the Secret Service has a principal inside the beach. They're under heavy fire.
Moving up to give him coverage.
How many do they have? Got Pax inside!
Pax doesn't give a damn that people live here, do they?
Gives us some cover!
Lost visual! Keep pushing! Cat, we're approaching from the east. Check your targets. Enemy fire from above.
Shit, the president's limo!
No, it's a decoy.
Pax ahead.
Okay, Dagger. No radio contact yet, so Cat doesn't know we're coming in. Pick your targets. Cat has a job to do. Give them space while we do ours.
We've got him on their heels! Line them up!
Cat, do you copy?
Target above, neutralized!
Dagger, the Secret Service has a principal inside the beach. They're under heavy fire.
Moving up to give him coverage.
Got Pax inside!
Hell, Marine!
How many do they have?
Reloading!
Pax doesn't give a damn that people live here, do they?
Gives us some cover.
Cat, we're approaching from the east. Check your targets. Enemy fire from above. No, it's a decoy. The real beast is inside the fire station. Cat says we've got enemy reinforcements incoming. Damn! Cat's RPG! Take cover! Shit! Pax is bringing in long-range fire.
Cat's holding out by the fire station.
Let's go, dude. We're responsible. Down the street. Pax reinforcements.
They're sending a damn convoy.
Hey, come over here! They know the president's in there!
Shape up, Dagger. We're losing them.
Cover me, I'm reloading. Reloading!
Ammo crate. Resupply. Hostile using cover.
Finally pushed them back.
How does Pax still have so many guys?
Got it. Chad is waving us in. Come on.
Ammo over there.
Eagles incoming.
Whoa, friendlies. Friendlies.
That's got to be Dagger. They're clear. Gecko. Stairs.
10 years of service, and all it took was a stray bullet.
Best are called first, sir. If we can trace these Soken Pax, no contacts, no signals, we're alone.
Dagger, this is John Rossetti, head of my protective detail. I suppose you know who I am.
Mr. President, do you need a medic?
What I need is my chief of staff. Only Pax shot Gale in the neck trying to get to me.
Sir,
Just like Pax put millions of people in the firing line. This is the world the Coalition wants. No diplomacy, no compromise. Just survival of the fittest.
I'll leave the politics to you, sir. The Pax are still out there.
Marine One and its escort are en route. But the street's too hot for an extraction.
Sounds like we're securing the roof.
He'd be a sitting duck.
For whom? We wasted the Pax forces outside. If we go right now...
Negative. Half of the PPD just got wiped out. No one is taking the boss anywhere until I know it's safe to move.
John, I can't coordinate with the Joint Chiefs until I'm clear. Which means we can't save Brooklyn until we get out of here. I'll take the chance.
Understood, sir. Okay. Let's do this right. Look, I don't have the people to scout ahead and run defense here. Can you back us up?
I'll stay. Murphy, secure the rooftop for Marine One. When it's clear, we'll link with you.
Copy that.
Good luck.
first collectible is in the safe house with President Fernandez. It's kind of a lot of area that there could have been something hidden in like one of those side apartment kitchens or something like that, but you won't find the first one until you actually get to that checkpoint of the fire station hideout. From there, make your way to the kitchen. In the back of the fire station, you'll find that dog tag next to the donuts, mug, and notepad. The second is actually really well hidden in plain view. In the trailer on the outskirts of the park you have to clear, there's an L-shaped setup of sort of just folding desks that on the floor next to the boots, you'll find the collectible.
Got an ID tag here.
Grab that ammo. Grab that ammo.
This is Marine 1. Visual on the LZ.
Swapping out kit. Shit! Marine 1, lay off!
Mayday! Clearing the airspace! Red air! Red air!
They're not gonna make it!
They're gone. We've got drones incoming.
Murphy, sound off.
Drones took out Marine 1. Stay away from the windows.
Keep moving!
They're swarming us! Watch your heads!
Adams! Okay, sit him down. Get pressure on it. Murphy, we need you three back inside.
Shouldn't we look for survivors?
No time. Not with the drones and the president to protect. And that's not a crash you'd walk away from.
Load up, drop ammo.
Eagle's returning. Pass. Pack's got all 3 helicopters. Marine 1 and both escorts.
Damn it. All right, we're cut off. We need options. What about the Beast? It's armored?
Right, but it's already damaged. I wouldn't bet it against a swarm of drones.
And this building isn't safe.
No, we need air support, more ground forces, or a way to thin out the drones.
Not the drones. The operators.
Do we know where they are?
They'd have to be close. Probably with a protection detail. Enough space to launch them.
A PAX force that big in the open. Marine 1 would have called it in.
Prospect Park is down the block. Canopy, cover. If I was a drone jockey, it's where I'd want to be stationed.
All right, start in the park. Clear the skies, we'll run defense from here. Lopez, you're with me. I need a spare gun and a corpsman on standby.
Got it.
You got this, Marine?
Yes, sir. Gecko, Espina, and I can handle it.
Stay up on comms, but be smart. Don't discuss the boss by name.
Sir, what's your PPD code name?
That would be Everest. Make it fast.
Pack's in the park! Multiple targets! Small!
We're in it now! Target above neutralized! MG down! At least we know you were right about Prospect Park. We can probably figure out the drone's flight path from here.
You do it. I'll keep you covered.
Tango silent. Park's full of them.
We got drones. There.
Look, they're getting organized.
They think they bloodied us at the fire station. Now comes the kill.
Packs in the park. Multiple targets.
We're in it now! Tango silent. Park's full of them.
We got drones. There.
More drones! MG down! At least we know you were right about Prospect Park. We can probably figure out the drone's flight path from here.
You do it. I'll keep you covered.
Drone destroyed!
Northeast, 2 spotted at 30 meters.
Drone neutralized!
Need a medic over here.
Engineer, KIA! Stay with me!
You're a lifesaver.
Drone destroyed!
Drone operator. Long range. Elevated.
Elevated target eliminated!
Drones again. Whole swarm around here.
Tango above down!
Front shotgun at distance. Elevated.
Drone neutralized! Enemy in sight! Keep sharp! Drone destroyed! Target above, neutralized!
Hostile drone in the air.
Drone neutralized! Target above neutralized! Drone operator!
Getting close.
Dagger 1-3, actual to Murphy. Sit rep.
Closing in on the operators. Prospect Park is crawling with hostiles. Looks like they're gearing up for round 2.
Everest is secure for now, but there might be movement outside, so pick up the pace.
Empty deck! Sniper loot!
Ammo over there.
Tag bound.
Ammo over there.
Trying to cut us off! Don't let them hunker down!
Copy that.
That you're on foot for like maybe 40% of it. make your way to the kitchen. There's an L-shaped setup of sort of just folding desks that on the floor next to the boots, you'll find the collectible. I don't think that I would have found this one had it not been for the prompt that popped up, and even at that point, I was high. The third collectible is found at the end of the subway tunnel sequence where you get to the one stop before heading topside. There'll be a
Trying to cut us off.
taking
Cut
fire!
that sniper down. Got him. They're running the drones from under Indale Arch.
Smart. Can't be seen from the air.
We secure the area first, then neutralize their gear.
Copy that. Long range. Give them hell, Marines! Get into position! Shotgun is down! Got a drone! 12 o'clock!
Weapon secured. Drone neutralized.
Ammo over there.
Drone operator down. It's gonna take us too long to unhook all this drone equipment.
C4?
C4.
On it. Watch my 6. Hernandez is spoiling for a fight.
Makes sense. This is no time for the U.S. to show weakness.
So we can't be weak, and PAX can't care about collateral damage? Where does it end?
We can't solve tomorrow today. Let's get the job done.
Okay, we're ready. Let's get some cover.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Murphy, it's Carter. Looks like we got a window to move Everest. Lopez is en route to get you. Nice work. No drones, no waiting.
Great! Another PAX vehicle!
How's Carter? And Everest?
In the beach with the rest of his detail. They're en route. The plan is to head for the fob at Fulton. Should be a straight shot there.
We've been chasing down PAX long enough to know it ain't gonna be a straight shot.
Okay, we're on.
Murphy, this is Carter. Pack forces are on the move. The lockdown means no civilian traffic, but we've got abandoned vehicles ahead.
Copy that. Hold steady, Lopez.
I got it. Just spot for me.
Speed up! We've got him, Naz!
They got more wheels! Armored vehicles moving in!
No good! Without the turret, these might as well be blanks!
See the crane and the cargo?
Yeah! Bring it down! Gives us the advantage! Moving into position!
Steed your lead!
Naz, is everyone okay?
Alive and rolling. The beats still hold together.
Keep moving! The whole street's unsafe!
Watch out!
Watch overhead! Not gonna make it!
Lopez, you good? I'm good. I think.
Gecko!
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Looks like we're in the subway. That route's not gonna hold. Come on, let's move. Paz, you okay?
We just scraped through. Where are you?
The subway, believe it or not. We'll take the tunnel to Bolton Ferry.
All right, be careful. There's only one man who'd ride a tank into Brooklyn.
Kincaid?
Who else? Stay alert.
Okay. Let's see what we can see. Roof's real shaky. Come on.
You know, I can't help noticing
Lopez.
that we are in a freaking subway again.
I'll take it over a tank.
And no trains. Lockdown's good for something.
You hear that?
Flares. Watch your eyes.
Light him up! Drop some... Then they'll know dropping a building on us wasn't enough.
Tank in Brooklyn. And after we nuke some fucking city because they support PAX, the next attack is gonna be hell.
Changing weapon!
AR here.
Kincaid. We've got to reach Everest first. What if Kincaid shows us his base?
Put a hole in it, don't you worry.
It's base. Don't take it.
Launcher eliminated! Need a reload! Cover me!
cinder block display of the map of the subway trains, and a crow bag and a bunny rabbit stuffed animal next textures on high. The third collectible is found at the end of the subway tunnel sequence where you get to the one stop before heading topside. There'll be a cinder block display of the map of the subway trains and a crow bag and a bunny rabbit stuffed animal next to it.
Got an ID tag here.
Engineer, KIA!
Light. Finally.
We're overdue for a light at the end of the damn tunnel.
Almost there. Fulton Ferry should be right down the block. More PAX forces.
Headed to Fulton Ferry.
We've still got time. Come on.
Covering!
10 o'clock!
Marvin, this is Dagger Actual. We need support at the fob.
On our way.
Good, because these fuckers brought more heavy guns.
How much more?
Clear the way and I'll fill you in.
Sniper neutralized!
Load up. Drop ammo.
That's where you'll find the collectible for that. And the fourth and final one is shortly beyond that, where in the park as you're headed up the stairs, next to one of the fallen soldiers, you'll find it on the ground. Kind of a tough one to end on.
Reloading!
Grenade!
Grenade launcher here if you want it.
Tackle cover. Could use this.
Let's get in there.
You're gonna need this.
Front! MG! 30 meters!
Shotgun!
Nice going, Murph. This way. Ammo crate, resupply. All right, our evac is coming. We're going via the river.
Good. Kincaid's not far behind. How did Pax bring in this much hardware?
Must have blown through most of Salim's financing. Cat has Everest secured. We can take on Pax while they're focused on him.
Let's finish this.
Pax incoming! We're going for the base!
Fall back from the wall!
Fuck! Stop it! 10 o'clock! MG! 30 meters! Send it to him, Dagger! Cover my dick!
Confirm KIA!
On your left! MG! Long range!
Marksman down!
Exfil's en route.
MG down! Protection play!
Kincaid's last gambit.
Reloading! Cover me! Protection play!
Secure the zone for evac.
Tank is wasted!
Adios!
Dagger 1-3 actual to Cat. Exfil's coming. If we're going, we go now. Understood, Dagger actual. Are we clear to move? Wait one.
Foe's here!
It's Kincaid.
Is he hit?
No eyes on, but he's near the carousel. Gecko, Lopez! Get Evers on that second boat and exfil.
Roger!
Roger! Covering! DVD, stay low! Go! All right, Murphy, you stay with me. We'll flank Kincaid. We'll run that bastard to ground.
Got it.
Let's move. flank them. I got this side, you take the other.
Hey, pal! Go for Carter.
Fuck you.
Call him! Beg for someone to save you.
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Too late, pal. I've been screwed over by this world long enough, done things no man should have been asked to do. And just when I was gonna put it right, you had to play the hero. And you won. Here's your prize.
You always did talk too much, Alex. Hands off. Now! You move again, I'm gonna paint your brains all over those pretty horses there. Murphy, you all right?
Didn't check your corners. Must be a relief, huh? The brass showering you with honor and valor while deep down, you know this is what you really deserve. Those fuckers laughed when they threw acid over me. You know what it's like to smell your own face being eaten away? And the man you left behind goes on. That's justice.
Burn Brooklyn. For justice.
For a future. Because there's only one way to matter in this world, and that's not to serve. It's to make yourself too big to ignore. And be forgotten.
I say again, additional gunshots heard. Spread out.
Commander Kincaid, we've got exfil standing by. On your command.
Muster up while you can, pal. Trust me, you have no idea what they'll do to you.
Keep pressure on. Listen up. Don't let this tear you down. You have to rise up. You have to be the leader. Down your knee. Don't. Hold on.